Little Early English Education.
Look at this rainbow character! Hello, 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 super learners! Welcome back! Today, we are going to draw and color Numberblock 70. Did you know Numberblock 70 is made of 7 groups of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And 7 rainbow colors, 1 for each 10. Let's start drawing. First, draw one big rectangle for the main body. Top line, right side, bottom line, left side. A wide rainbow body. Beautiful! Now draw 6 vertical lines inside the rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This makes 7 columns. Now draw 10 horizontal lines going across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 70 blocks. Now let's draw the face. Numberblock 70 has rectangular glasses. Draw the left glasses frame, rectangular shape. Now the right glasses frame. Inside the glasses, draw the eyes, left eye and right eye. Now add the eye details, the pupils. Such cool glasses. Now let's draw the rainbow hair at the top. 7 hair spikes, 1 for each column. First spike pointing up, second spike right next to it, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 7th spike. 7 rainbow spikes. Spectacular! Now draw the happy smile. A big, colorful smile. At the very top, write the number, 70. Now draw the hands on both sides. Our drawing is complete. Hello, everyone. I am Numberblock 70. I have 7 rainbow columns and rainbow hair. I am made of 70 blocks. Coloring time! First, pick up the black color. Spell black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color the eye outlines black, and inside the mouth area, black too. Sharp and clear. Now pick up yellow. Spell yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Color the glasses frames yellow. And the smile outline yellow too. Golden yellow, so stylish. Now color the hands with rainbow colors. And the legs, rainbow too. And the rainbow hair, each spike its own color. Rainbow everywhere.
Use your crayons, use your markers, make your picture feel just right. Shine the picture, let it glow. This drawing time feels so alive. Numberblocks are happy friends. Learning helps our minds to thrive. Count with me 1 to 10, let the colors start again. 11, 12, 13, 14, every block becomes a friend. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
Amazing.
22. Numbers grow and numbers show what we can learn and what we do.
Now pick up red. Spell red. R-E-D. Red. Color the first 10 blocks red. Beautiful, bold red.
We are learning all the numbers, 'cause knowledge always stays endless. Tick tock, drawing time never stops. Color softly, color lightly, make the picture
Now pick up yellow again. Spell yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Color the second 10 blocks yellow. Bright, shining yellow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we color and we count alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we can start it all again. This is learning with our heart, this is fun and this is art. Drawing every little part makes the magic truly start.
Now pick up orange. Spell orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Color the third 10 blocks orange. Warm and bright orange.
Drawing number blocks with love makes every picture look so fun. Now we finish, nice and slow, step by step and line by line. Take a breath, enjoy the view. Number blocks look super fine. We can draw.
Now pick up green. Spell green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Color the fourth 10 blocks green. Fresh, beautiful green.
And amount. Number blocks learning, number blocks fun. Drawing and coloring everyone. Color and count, count and color. Learning numbers like no other. Going high, 20, 30, 40 blocks. Reaching to
Now pick up sky blue. Spell sky blue. S-K-Y-B-L-U-E. Sky blue. Color the fifth 10 blocks sky blue. Cool sky blue.
with every amount. Shade the edges, fill the middle, make it smooth and clean. Turn the page into a picture like you've never seen. Art and numbers work as one, hand in hand they go. When we draw and color blocks, our thinking
Now pick up indigo. Spell indigo. I-N-D-I-G-O. Indigo. Color the sixth 10 blocks indigo. Deep, rich indigo.
we draw teaches girl and boy. Practice shapes and practice math. Practice every day. Drawing number blocks makes learning fun in every way. Now the picture's almost done. Look how bright it looks. We just made a masterpiece. Better than our books. We can draw them once again tomorrow.
And the final color. Pick up purple. Spell purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Color the seventh 10 blocks purple.
Learning numbers all the while. Number blocks are fun to see. Art and math in harmony. Let's draw the number blocks nice and neat on the page. Rectangle shapes we begin, step by step like a stage. Line goes up, line goes down, every block in the right space.
And
Drawing is
done.
done slow, we don't need to rush the pace. Color inside, stay inside.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.